welcome to another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're doing a healthy pho, or pho. One of the two words I can't pronounce is Vietnamese soup. And we're gonna do a low sodium, a little healthier. Like I told you guys before, we're gonna try to do some healthier things around here, but still have fun and still do things Grumpy Outlaw style. So with that being said, pho, you're gonna need a few things. Number one, onions. Number two, steak. Number three, we're gonna need some low sodium soy sauce and minced garlic, mirin, which is like a Japanese wine sauce, mushrooms, again, low sodium beef broth, lime, rice stick noodles, green sprouts, and of course green onions and lime. So, with that being said, we're gonna chop some things up, cut some things up, into our pot. That way we can get a body of our soup going. First thing we're gonna add is our beef broth. Again, low sodium. So we're just gonna pour all that in there. A lot. We'll add our mirin. Just a little bit though, you don't want to overpower. Add our soy sauce. You want to add about 4 or 5 teaspoons of that, and then our garlic. And you want to do about 3 teaspoons of that. And then lastly, we'll add one more box of beef broth. Just like that. And then the last thing we'll add is our noodles, which we're using rice noodles. So if you guys at home are asking, we're using very thin rice noodles because they're low in sodium. And then we'll add our beef broth. And we'll go ahead and start cooking that on the pot. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start sauteing our mushrooms and our onions. And we're going to go ahead and cook these down until the onions are translucent and the mushrooms are kind of soft looking. It's going to take a minute, but we're going to get there. See, we have our mushrooms and our onions cooked down. So what we're going to do now is add them to our pot and finish letting our pot cook. And after that, we'll start cooking our steak. Season our steak a little bit and throw it on the skillet and saute that. That way we can have it ready to go for our pho. So we're going to add a little bit of ground cumin. Add a little black and white pepper. Give it a little rub right there. And then we'll do it again. Again, we're not adding salt to this, so we're trying to keep the sodium level down. So we're working around that by adding cumin and pepper. This will help our flavors. So just like that, keeping it nice and simple. So now we'll go ahead and put these on the skillet and cook them up. Like you see, I let it rest for a little bit so the blood coagulated. So now what we're going to do is start to slice it down a little bit and add it to our bowl so we can enjoy our pho. So the first thing you want to do, get you a good knife and cut across the grain. Smooth, just like that. One smooth motion. Just like this. So you have nice, thin slices. Look at that. Nice, thin, uniform slices on our steak that we can add to our bowl. Now when we're done, take them, put them on top, just like that. Add a little green onion. Boom. Add a lime. And there you go. Grumpy, healthy pho. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I holla.
Hey, I see you watching. Hey, while you're watching, why don't you click there and subscribe? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.